Good morning guys, Hello Baby here. Welcome on today's video. Special one, guys. It's another beautiful day which God have granted us. Anyway guys, thank you so much for clicking my videos. So in case you're new here guys, please subscribe, comment, share, like. They're the best you can support Hello Baby official. So right now guys, I'm just preparing myself to get outside from my house. And then on today's videos, we have the mason or my engineer of the borehole fixing the carabat, guys. So let's see what's going on. But yesterday they didn't come here, so I need to understand, you know, like I don't want to push him, like do quick and fast. That's borehole, and then at the same time there's you know, carabat. My house, that's how it looks like. And I thank God for the gift of life. I thank God for everything. Right now I'm just okay vibing with you guys. So in case you're new here on today's videos, please Floyd Vibe, subscribe and share, like that. The best you can support Hello Baby official. So man, I feel so thirsty. I need to drink more water, and then we go out to check my mason, guys. So stay tuned. That's my mama. Mama, say hello.
Hello.
Yes, that's my African mom. You know, she was hard working, covering the maize, you know. So I'm asking my mama, when did you take to the store? My mama told me by tomorrow it's our last day. So we get maize corn from the farm, and then we get flour. We eat ugali, guys, you know. Wow. Alright guys, so let's check outside the work that have been going on there. Wow. So I think right now guys, we didn't have water here. Look, you know, I'm opening, look, no water, you know. So this is the maize corn that we have here, you know. Yeah, we grind it to make it flour. So wow, let's go outside guys. See some activity here and there. Hey boy. Okay, this is the concrete here guys. Kokoto. Fundi bado? Sekta yako hujafika.
Kama hii kisima inaanguka. Inaanguka hapo.
Inabidi utoe kidogo. Yeah. They reach on the underground guys, finding water. See? Hey.
Oh, kumbe hii mchanga ni nyepesi sasa ukitoa.
Hiyo inabidi ukitoa sehemu ya karabati moja.
Sasa unaona hii kazi tumefanya ni kama ujinga. Tumetoa ujinga. Sasa ndio imeanguka para.
Sasa inabidi utoe sehemu ya karabati moja mbili uweke. My engineer is going deeply guys.
Angalia hii.
Yeah. Mzee Predator.
Mzee Predator, hebu angalia Predator.
Wewe unafanya kazi kwa Bamburi?
Wewe ameshafanya kazi mara nyingi.
Kwa simiti pale.
Wewe alikuanga ni load. Akaacha.
Mama. Sije nipate zile simiti. Na nikienda lazima niende na receipt. Kama ni mfuko 20 niende na watoe. Sasa mama. Ana simiti ravungwa mate mkae kwa sorry simiti orobi hayo. Simiti. Acha rapungwa.
Wapi tawa? Wewe kumbe hujaenda na taa.
Kuna kunya Predator sasa uteremuka.
Wewe weka juala, asilia juala.
Mweke juala, unasemaga mweke juala. Hii.
Alikuwa amefunga na hiyo.
Ifunga na hii, ifunga.
Funga na weka.
Wenyewe wanasema kwa charging system inaenda kama mchanga. We are unfolding.
Leta karatasi hii imekuwa baridi sana.
Wewe funga.
Ulikuwa na nyingine.
Hai.
Gani?
Bagi yako. Ile ni yangu. Yangu nileka wapi? Baba.
Guys, this is tough work here. I'm telling you, since morning, look. And then even the water going to other side right there. Hey. It's a serious work, guys. I'm telling you. So for those people who are asking the carabat, I've already shown you guys. This is one carabat. When it's carried 3 metallic, 1, 2, 3, 1.
Bengo. Ikueta hiyo. Nakuja kukuita bana.
Usiangalia juu mzee. Tenda na uchafu.
Bwana mnipe kofia ile ya gunia.
Baba yako si jana ulipeleka wapi juzi?
Niliacha huko.
Si uchukue ile kipepsi uweke kwa kichwa. Unaenda ile kipepsi huko. Yeye amelalia.
Aya!
Shala.
Ala?
Oh my god. Sema engineer.
Wewe bwana finyilia hiki tu achilie na hapo. Ndio uchukua urubaga hapa utashika.
Urubaga ndio inakuja.
Achilia nimekushikia hii. Ipate imeingia ndani kwa maji. Zana kula tai na kufuata tu pole pole. Usiwe na wasiwasi. Umesikia ndugu yangu? Ndugu yangu. Inakuja mos.
Oh my god. I'm so tired like I got, guys. Let's see whether I can finish these issues, guys. You know, water is life. Life is water. Vice versa, guys. Oire alikuwa ameshaanza kutoa. Amene ndio ya mwisho.
Hiyo ndio ya mwisho hapa juu ilikuwa nashikilia ya chini na juu.
So hapa ashafika chini.
Bado. Hapo na ashafika chini.
Bado.
Ndio kukanyaga si lazima aingie kwa maji.
Si yeye amekanyaga kwa karabati nyingine. Wasamira siku ya kwanza hiyo ndilikuaga hapo hakutoaga.
Usioge.
Serious work, guys. Guys, me, I'm waiting the work to be done, and then I'll let you know the final day. You know, I wanna sit down here because I feel headache, guys. I was unthinkable about my project. Oh my god. But I'll finish these issues, guys. You know, I'll finish these issues. You know, and we'll make another deal, guys. You know, this month is supposed to bring blocks to the to our site, but that borehole, it's collapsed, and then I start a new borehole. You know, when the engineer arrived, they said you need like to fix the carabat, things will be okay, and it's so expensive, guys. You know, so at least we get water. Even right now, there's no water at the tank inside our home, so no water there, you know. So at least when you have water, man, everything will be okay and perfect, you know. So I will ask him, because previous day he was asking me about the wire mesh for putting on the ground, and then it can able to allow water coming easily, you know. So technically after this, maybe I'll go in Border Town, I'll ask that wire mesh and all stuff, you know. So let me go around, guys, to see how everything is, you know. In case you only have this, I'm calling home full of bushy, you know. When I'm saying bushy, you see green nature, green vegetation, you know. Africa is the land that everybody love, man, you know. The land of food and water. So wow, even these toilets needs water, man. Needs water for the purposes, you know. Pumpkin leaves are growing bigger every day, you know. So let me go this way, guys. My mama threw these shafts here, but our hen didn't want to eat them, and then see the maize germinate here. Okay, even my bike, it's on under sun, you know. Wow. So let's move, man, you know. Hey, it's so hot, and I left my baby on sunny day. That's my Mason's bike, you know. Oh my God! Come here, babe. Relax here. You're here, you're okay. You know? Wow. So every day is to push up, pushing. And then I said, oh man, no, what a good day, what a good day. Excuse me, man. When you do like this, when you're sneezing like that, maybe somebody's talking about you. But I don't want to believe on that culture and custom, you know. Sneezing, maybe, like, sneezing is a normal thing. But I'm believing, like, if you are sneezing and then maybe somebody is calling you or talking about you. Even I will show you how they are pouring that water. But let me go around and I check our cow, because my mama told me if you go around at the back, go and check the cows. You know, I normally do that for the several time, man, but I don't get to be bothered, man, on that. Like every day is to check cows. When they finish up these materials or this balance, I'll squeeze, you know. And actually it's helped me a lot, you know. It's helped me a lot, you know, fixing my uncle's septic tank, you know, in my septic tank, borehole, in our other projects. When I was doing the veranda, those balance stones, it's helped a lot. It helped me a lot. And let me say, guys, this is a septic, you know. It's running from here where I'm standing, go that way up to other side, right here. You see, up to this side here. Okay. You know, guys, on tomorrow's videos, I'm going to surprise my African mom with some construction material. I've already told you, every month is to do at least something which I can see in future. You know, bring this material is not an easy thing, you know. Other people think like I bought like once. No, if you're watching my videos every day, every single minute, I was going hard on my dream, boom. Going hard on my dream, boom. So today I managed to bring the construction material site, but I'll release that videos on tomorrow. See, so I need to cover this sand from here going up to that way. So probably my mason used this sand here. See, but I mean, I can't complain because it was doing a job at my site or at our home, you know. But starting from here, and it's looking like muddy. You see, this one, like, you use a lot of energy, but this one, this sand. Right now, guys, I understand something, you know, some different. Now look at this. If maybe you plant some maize here, it can germinate. You know, I got a loss of $78. This one, because one trip like this is 8,000, and then 8,000. This one I got lost, man. So this one, maybe there's no more use of this, because if the engineer of the borehole can use this one. Somebody's calling me. Hello. Yake. Somebody's calling me and I'm on the videos, but there's no need to receive a call because it's not a big deal. So when they finish up, at least this one you can touch, but this one, man, it's like, oh, look at this. This is not sand, you know. They play a game on me, you know. They're foolishing me on this, man. They're foolishing me on this. But God is good, you know. We try to manage to bring the sand, but the video is coming maybe by tomorrow. You see the difference between this? Man, these are purely sand from the river. You can't lie me, man. Even on the videos, guys, you see the big difference between this and that, you know. So in the evening, I need to bring some stones I put around here because we spend a lot of money, you know. So guys, please watch these videos to the end and let me know in the comment section what do you think about on today's videos. Oh man, I forgot, and I'm supposed to check our cows, you know. I talk like that being said, this month I'm supposed to bring blocks like this, but the borehole cut off, you know. It's collapsed, and then I use, you know, some small amount of money that I have to push it, you know. And then I said, okay, the remaining money, let me bring sand. But guys, I feel so bad on my side because the guy, like, they tried to foolishing me, guys, you know. There's a sand for the construction, take this, you know. Me, I haven't knew about sand, but today I learned something new, you know. That one for the first lorry, I've said receive and forget, you know. I've already forget it, guys. Let me try, maybe I'll see if I can get $200. I'll bring 2 lorries because I'm chasing the climate condition, you know. If when the moment rain stop, you can't get sand. Trust me. Because right now, guys, I'm trying to push it, you know. How I can get sand, you know. Sometimes, guys, I spend a small amount of money that I have, and then I remain 0. You know, it's because, man, I need to build Africa. I need to build my mama's dream house. So there's no need to save money, and I need to buy cement. I need to buy sand. I need to buy blocks. So how am I going to save money? Me, I'm trying to struggle every day, looking for the money, you know, buying materials. And what I believe, most of the 100 people's, like 100% majority of people you are waiting my mama dream house, you know. So let me start from that because I see the cows here grazing. People have already harvested, man. We're so blessed. The more you plant earlier, the more you harvest earlier. You know, that is it. Okay, guys. So the cow is grazing here. Yeah, something's going here crazy, but this one is an aggressive one. Okay. If you're an aggressive one, I left you. Also, we have another one within here. Yeah. So this one are grazing here. Say hello. Hey. Okay, so guys, so the remaining this stuff here from the maize, the cow eats especially these leaves, and then also grass here down, you know. This video could take around maybe 50 to 1 hour, guys. You know, sometime you look like you're speechless. Put you here. You see, guys, how this baby calf is? Hey, no, stop it. You have the most beautiful cow at home. Look at this. This one men are not aggressive. When you are whistling, like it makes our cows to be stopped, and then we do like this. All right, guys. Let's go. Anytime it's gonna rain, guys, so probably I want to finish these videos up, and then we say goodbye our day. So the guy who rented here is supposed to harvested, and also my brother take its position. So my brother, who was the one who going to handle the project here of planting maize, and then maybe it's our maize. When I cut the trees fall to our maize, there's no problem, man. You know. Let's check it out. Now I see the water is flowing like crazy, you know. When I'm saying this, I'm trying to mean, you know what I mean? This is what I'm calling home. Yeah, beautiful home. Sweet home, home sweet. Look, this is water, man. I'm not lying. This is water. You see? This is water. All the way from the borehole. Let me show you the struggle. Mzee anasemaje? Maji imekuwa mingi.
Tumerudi kazi.
Na bado hapo sasa mkipata ile chini kabisa. Ile ndio mbaya.
Tumerudi kazi
zero.
Tushafanya asubuhi. Ile mchanga.
Ile wakati ulimwambia. Unajua wakati ulikuwa unatonda angeingia hiki hata mbili.
Haya.
Wapunge.
Wow. Naona track guys. Whew. Look at that. Me, I'm showing you everything, guys. You see? Boom!
Wachwere?
Sasa kwa hivyo haina haja nilete simiti, si ndio?
Acha tu kwa.
Hata zikipungua ndugu yangu atafuata hapa na wheelbarrow, si mbali hapo tu. Kwa jirani yangu hapa.
Pole pole bwana. Tutoke na hapo.
That's mad. And they use energy, you know. Alright guys, so I have the food on the table. These are pure ugali, guys. You see, we do it like this in African way. See guys, and also today I'm enjoying beans and kales, you know. Beans and kales. You do like this. You see? Do like this, guys. You know, my dad taught me in according to our culture, you do like this, and it's looking smooth. Then you do like this, and then this one, it's help you to hold the veggies or beans, and then we cut it, you know, like this. Guys, I'm eating here at the same time. Also, the mason are eating. So after that, the work will be continued, guys. You know. So I think maybe by Thursday, the water will be clean, and then we finish up the work on Thursday this week. You know. Pure ugali, guys. White one, look. Yep, guys, for sure. Nice one. This one, number one. The mixture of beans and rice and white ugali, man, that is number one. So let me finish this food, and I will take you outside, guys, to see the work for today, or to see the progress of today. You know, every day, guys, in my home here, it's activity. You know, I finish this one happened, you know, and me, I can't complain anymore. That's how my house looks like, you know, looking like Shagalabaga. You see, you have the jacket there, you know, things like that. And probably, I thank God right now, my house, when it's sunny outside, inside it's cold, you know. Wow. So, guys, me, I'm still enjoying the food, and I probably, after this section, I'll take you outside. You know. Well, guys, so right now it's evening time, and I want to show you how they mix concrete. And actually, guys, this is my tomorrow's videos, guys. You know, probably if you're watching my videos today, you didn't see them mixing the concrete, but this one you will see, guys. You will see them mixing the concrete. Woo! Mambo ni fire fire, mambo ni moto moto. Yes, guys. Mnafungia hapa, mnafungia hapa, mtapima.
Nataka tujase
Moja tu, hii tu.
kwanza tuone hapo mali.
My friend just arrived. Say hello. Okay, guys. Hey. Unajua nataka 3,000 si 300. Ni 3,000 nataka. Akia Mungu. Eh. Eh. Mia tatu ama hai amekubali 300. Okay.
Atapatia maadui.
Hai. Sawa. Okay. They make a deal here by selling a punch. You know.
Sasa kata, hebu leta futi.
Nipatie futi.
Oh, it's deep. You see the torch right there. Ano fundi. Leo nitakupa namba yangu. Maana ukifika asubuhi piga simu.
Oh.
Sijui kuchukulia hata katoni nzima ukunywe. Okay.
Kato.
Unaweza kuchukua hata katoni ukunywe. Okay. You wanna put simiti? Okay. You know my dog is somehow aggressive. They don't want to see visitor or people who doesn't know. Haiwezi. Naweza ingia. Don't be aggressive, Bruno. Chini yake. Don't be aggressive, Bruno. No, you must be friendly. No. You good? I see one of my friends yesterday said, hello, maybe you should give your dog food. I'm telling you, they know my camera. Oh, stop it, man. Alright. I'm seeing the phone. Ona ukora yenye iko hapo. Sasa nitakuwa na noko muhindi. I swear hivi. Okay. Nadhani mkikuja Monday mtamaliza, si ndio?
Unajua kazi iko hapa na kutoa hiyo mchanga.
Na utumiagi. Utumii. Sasa unaona. Huyu ile siku kwa anatoa michanga.
Sisi tunavuta tuna chai.
Huyu siku alikuwa anatoa mchanga. Ndugu zangu walifanya kazi. Usiku alikuwa analia. Na ulikuwa wangapi?
Bro. Sasa mahali inaelekea inaanza kuwa mzito sasa. Maji. Kuna maji sasa.
Okay, guys, I want to mix concrete like this.
Kelande musume.
Choma. I'm telling you, they come to see. Ma, I don't know how to touch us. Get them back hands. To put your head. Okay. Nasema can yeah. Good one. No, okay, guys, they're adding waterproof, you know. Oh, guys. That's how we mix concrete and waterproof. These are pure cement, guys. You know, maybe from Bamburi in Mombasa. You know, it's some small limestones that making to make cement. You know, and then they put inside here. Ikifika karibu nafika kwa maji kama stairs zimebaki karabati kama 2-3 mtaweka kali, ndio? Yeah. So I'm telling them when they reach on the ground deeply like 3 karabat, they'll put more ratio of the cement, guys, you know, because down there now we have a lot of water. Okay, guys, I'm just over here, and maybe somebody will watch this video. They will ask me, "Hello, baby, how do you manage to push or maybe put inside the concrete?" So they put on this small container, and then wanateremusha. Nadhani watu wangu mnaona. See, guys, we do like that. Here is manpower. Let's go deeply. Finally, boom. Okay, guys, I left home, so I'm heading down. Whew. Yes. Let me do some you know, let me button my shirts like that. Go straight. Yeah, that's how African looks like, you know. When people told you Africa, that's how it looks like on camera, you know? Nothing to be changed. That trees here, it's also a medicinal. It treats 40 disease. You know. Going at my low space. Hey. Guys, I'm full outside. And I need to go slowly. We have a sharp corner here. Yeah, guys. First thing is to hood when you meet the sharp corner. So I'm heading straight. You know. Yeah, African village to the world. Sorry, the car is passing here, guys. So let's see. Guys, I was stopping there a little bit, so something entered my eyes, and I probably I realized when I'm riding I'm supposed to use some sunglasses, you know, so to avoid what, guys? Dust, you know, insects, so many things. Wow. So guys, at the same time, I think on my borehole I'll spend closer to $400, so it can be finished up. It's a lot of money, guys, you know. At the same time, that guy, they make money from me. Whoa, 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 whoa. Wow. So guys, things will take time. Slowly I'll get there, you know. Slowly I will get there. So this is another car here. There's a municipal dump site here. You can see a lot of rubbish here and there. A mountain of rubbish right there. You know. Let's go. Some people are driving crazy. So one at a time. So guys, I want to pick something in Boda, privately, guys. You know, it's something urgent, guys. I need to pick in Boda town, so sometime man, I turn off the camera, you know. Honda baby, right? Some blocks, right? Look at that view, guys. Super amazing. Business are taking place here right now as we speak. So some business are going on here, guys, especially for buying maize and selling, you know. These maize are coming from East Africa, the border of Kenya, Tanzania, Uganda, and also I think in Zambia, Zimbabwe, you know. Wow, that's V-Power Shed right there. Yeah. Let's Africa to grow, guys, in terms of business, in terms of development. Let's Africa to be grown, you know. See, guys, some big heavy machine have been parking here. You know, some trailers. Other are coming, you know, in and out. Try to imagine, for example, like this one here. Oh. Hey, BMW, man, look that baby. Whoa, this border town for you. So I normally come here to make shopping, you know, pick my own stuff. Wow. Let's go. Alongside the road, some business here, you know. That's your name. Some bank right there. Let's move. No. We are moving, man. We are moving. I was confirming my phone. Oh, hey. Nice structure. Mira, baby one. Wow, water tank right here. Guys, you know. Guys, I need to pause my video here, and then when I finish my issues within here, we shall continue. Alright guys, let's go. I've already finished my stuff that I'm going to check in Border Town, and within here you see people like digging here alongside the road, so they try to fix, you know, water. So that's water project right here. You know, all the way. Maybe it's going to Border Town. It's drain water to Border Town. You know, who knows? Whoa! Yeah. Me, I thank God, man, for the gift of life. I thank God for everything, you know. We're fully outside. Wow. Here we go. So this is some work job done here. I'm telling you, project, you know. Wait. Ah. So here I put neutral. So all the way that you see, guys, I came from there. They tried to fix, you know, it's a water project. So right now they're covering those pipes. You know. Wow. Again, so I'm taking you around through my village, especially all my videos, guys, is to adventure. You know, maybe there's some other places where the media didn't show you on TV, but Hello Baby tried to show you, you know. You know, there's some other village people didn't show you on TV, but me, I'm just over here with my baby, going around, showing you, you know. Wow. Okay. Okay, guys. Okay. Wow, go on. See my baby here. She's at church right here. Guys, I hope you're enjoying my vlog, especially showing you a nice view, you know. Look from other side. You think it's a mountain place, but I'm heading that way. With my baby here, it helped me to maneuver around, you know. I think last time, guys, before I go to Mombasa, I bought a sand with them here, and they're fooling me, like, let me say one trip. Those people, they tried to fooling me, you know. And I remember where we are moving that sand. I think here, right here, it's the same sand. But all in well, me, I say God thank you, and I look for the next option, guys. You know, we need something like this. You know, we need silver sand. Water is flowing, guys. You see right here. Indigenous trees down there. Okay, let's go. Sunflower plantation. Wow, all my videos, it's raw and unedited, guys. Nothing to be edited here, nothing to be cut. You know, I'm just filming the way it is, and then oh, and then I said wagwan. Big up, guys, big up, you know, enough love. You know, watch the videos till the end. Wait. Oh. Other people are driving like crazy, like a jet. But it is what it is, man. Oh. Hey, nice view from this angle here. Police station. No, goat are grazing. You see down there. Okay, guys, we shall meet home. No, stay tuned. Good. Let's buy some watermelon and mangoes here, and then we go back home. You know, at least to have some fruits. But my family didn't like pawpaw. I don't know, guys. I don't know. Yeah. Nataka 150 aka gani? Eh? Mbona mama 200? Yeah, we need watermelon and mangoes because I've already bought some oranges.
Kwa ni wewe nikupe na tu. Ukweli wa Mungu.
Toboa tuone. Unipe kwa ngapi? Eh, mama. Nataka 150 na maembe 50. Yeah. Oh my god, this is a cucumber. Very nice. It's street kidney, guys. This one that you see here. You know, when you eat this, it's street the kidney. Street the kidney. There's my food shopping right there. I don't know how I'm going to see it on top of the bike. But something crazy, guys. Alijaiva, si ndio? Tuone ndani. Si unaona siri kuu.
Imeiva. Ile nimeiva.
Tachukua tu shatoboa. Lakini haijaiva, haijakuwa lekundu ndani. Hiyo na maembe, tusitaki vitu mingi.
Na juice.
Ah. Shilingi
100.
Haya, weka.
Unaweka wapi sasa? Hapo kumejaa.
Sasa nitazibebaje Mungu wangu? Alright guys, I think I want to end my video. So I feel so headache, guys, because in the morning I was going around here and there, and then you know, I'm just like one master at the same time. You know, I go through here and there, so I need to relax. So we shall meet by tomorrow's videos. Actually, on tomorrow's videos, it's to surprise my African mom with some construction material. So guys, I love you from my bottom of my heart. So stay tuned, guys. Right now I feel like drizzling, guys. So we shall meet on the next video, guys. Bye.